In this video, we're tackling a problem that's all too familiar for Beats Solo 3 users, when they just won't turn on. I've been there myself, reaching for my headphones, eager to dive into my favorite tunes or catch up on calls, only to find them unresponsive. It's frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry, we're not leaving you hanging. I've put together some straightforward fixes that have worked for me and many others. So let's roll up our sleeves and get those Beats working again. First up, the battery. It's often the usual suspect when your Beats refuse to turn on. Ensure they're charged by connecting them to a power source. You can check the battery level using the Beats app on Android or directly on your iPhone. Also, keep an eye on the LED indicator. A red flash means it's time to charge. Glitches can occur, and your Beats might just need a reset. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds until you see the LED flash. This resets your headphones, potentially clearing any software issues. Dirt and debris can block your power button, preventing it from working. Carefully clean around it with a toothpick or fine pin to remove any obstructions. This simple step could be the solution you're looking for. Battery wear is inevitable with time. If your Beats have been through numerous charging cycles, their battery life might be diminishing, indicating a need for replacement. Check your warranty or Apple Care Plus for eligibility. Not using your Beats for a while? The battery might be over-discharged. An extended charge, at least 8 hours, could revive it. Look for the blinking fuel gauge during charging, which shifts to a solid light when fully charged. Outdated firmware can lead to various issues, including power problems. Ensure your Beats are updated by connecting them to your device and checking for firmware updates. This might just solve your problem. If your Beats show some charge but still won't power up, here's a trick. While they're on the charger, press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Then, unplug and try turning them on. This extra reset step can kickstart your headphones. And don't forget the aux test. Connect your Beats to your device using an aux cable to see if they work this way. If they do, the issue might be with the battery or Bluetooth, not the speakers themselves. It's a great way to pinpoint the problem. If you've tried everything and your Beats still won't turn on, hardware damage could be the culprit, especially if they've suffered drops or water exposure. In such cases, Apple customer support is your go-to for repairs. That's it for this video. You now know how to troubleshoot your Beats Solo 3 headphones when they won't turn on, covering everything from simple battery checks to more in-depth fixes like firmware updates. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or additional suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.